What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video with your boy Sticks. Today I actually got a new sticker for the car that I'm actually gonna go install for you guys right now. I've been holding on to it for a little while now, but today's gonna be the day where we install it. I did see the size on it and I saw that it was a little bit bigger than what I wanted, but either way I'm gonna be changing it today. I actually got it from Amazon. It is in this package right here. I'm gonna be showing you guys what it looks like. Hopefully it's not too big where it kind of looks crazy. I am gonna be showing you guys in 1 second. Let me put this down. Where should I put this thing? Hold on, let me put this on top of my car actually. What's up, Blinged? All right, I'm actually gonna set this thing up because I don't actually want to move from here, because if I do move, I'm probably not gonna have any parking. So we're gonna kind of just be doing this on the street. Let me open this up and then so I can show you guys the sticker that I have for the 440,000. I know people are just watching me right now, bro. There's because I'm near a park. And there's just mad people right now, bro. Everybody that's gonna be driving by is gonna be looking at me like, yo, what is wrong with this dude? Talking to himself. So let's go ahead so I can show you guys the sticker that I got. It is actually on Amazon as well. So if you guys wanna get custom stickers for your car, click on the link in the bio. There's a whole bunch of, you know, different options, different letters, like fonts and whatever you want. There's a ton that you can choose from. But I kinda went with this one because I was feeling this one. But now that I got it, it's kinda big. But it's all right, it should work. Oh shoot, that's what it looks like. So they actually gave me like a little preview of what it looks like. It looks kinda big in the picture. So yeah, look at it, guys. It has a little YouTube symbol. This is obviously for the other side. It has a little YouTube symbol with the name, with the right car channel name. When I kind of measured it on the car, it does look a little big. If it's perfect, then it's great. If it's not, it's gonna have to work. All right, you guys, so first things first, I gotta figure out how I'm gonna take this off. I think I have some glue gun somewhere, but I don't think, I'm gonna check. So I have some glue gun, then I'm actually gonna try to take this off with my finger as much as I can. This might be a harder task than I thought, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I don't know how I'm gonna take this off. Yeah, this is gonna be a movie. I don't know how to take this off now. Yeah, this does not come off, bro. That thing is well put on there. I don't even know how. I'm trying to think. I can't connect my heat gun to try to like heat it up a little bit because I'm not in a garage anymore, man. I live in the streets. Okay, well, I'm gonna try to put some glue gun on it. I don't think this is really gonna do anything, but it doesn't hurt to try. It low-key is coming off, but like it's gonna be take me hours to. All right, this is taking way too long. I can't even get a little corner up. I'm just trying to see if, oh look, okay. All right, guys, we're getting somewhere. Once you get a little corner out, there goes the YouTube. Once you get a little corner out, everything else comes off easy. The problem is getting that little corner out. Maybe I need to start from the bottom. Yo, I'm doing this the ghetto way, guys. I'm over here doing this with my hand. Do you guys think that AutoZone might have something? You know, I could do this by hand. How long it's gonna take me, bro, is gonna be crazy. Oh, wait, I got another letter. I guess the hardest thing right now is literally just getting a corner out. Yo, plane, please, bro. Damn. We are getting somewhere though, guys. I mean, I already started it, and knowing me, since I already started it, I gotta finish it now. Cause I already did it, you know? I'm already in this mess. We got the S. Don't worry, guys, I'm definitely gonna pick this up after I'm done. I had to switch hands, cause if I had more nails too, this would have been easy, but I have 0 nails, guys. It is coming off though. You just have to be patient. Gotta be patient and keep playing with it. And the last thing, guys, the S, or the last letter I should say. One thing that I can say is, guys, when you do have the tools to be a mechanic or like just do certain things, once you have the right tool, everything is just easy, bro. It's just having the right tool is the issue. And that's how she rocks. Mr. Sticks is now gone. But let me actually clean this up a little bit before we put the other one on. Let me get a rag. Sometimes the best tool is your fingers, bro, or your hand. Yeah, if I had that little doctor little knife thingy or something just sharp that doesn't scratch my window, that would be nice, but I don't. Well, even though it's not there, you can still see it. Okay, we're getting somewhere. We just have this now, and this is just one side, guys. Now I gotta do the other one too. Ta-da! Hold on, let me wipe that down. Just to wipe this down. There we go, nice and clean. I don't know if I should use some Windex for the outside first. Handy dandy Windex. Go ahead, I'm gonna throw some on here just so I can kind of clean it off so we don't have any extra little particles laying around. Use the clean side of the table, not the table, the rag. I'm in the hood right now, guys, doing this. I ain't even gonna lie to you. All right, now that that's clean, is it this one that goes on this side? Wait, what? Yeah, so it goes. So we're gonna measure it. I'm thinking we do it. Oh, it should be okay. So what I'll do is I'll use the line of the actual glass to line it up. Or maybe lower. Maybe I'll do it here. It actually fits this kind of okay. So what I'll do is I'm gonna use the little Grand Coupe symbol to kind of lighten it up. We're gonna put it right there. Or should we put it right here? Nah, that looks too tacky. Let's put it right here. All right, so what we'll do is I'm gonna take this out. Ta-da! Maybe I should have, oh, I'm stupid. Hold on. We're gonna do it the Get Olympic way. Line it up. There she goes. Want to make sure that is on there very nicely, because the last thing I want when I take this little plastic thing off, that it comes off completely, like the actual letter. Are you guys ready for the reveal? Wow, it looks big though. I'm not gonna lie, it looks kind of big. I wanted it smaller. I don't know. Let's see, maybe it looks better when I take all this off. Are you guys ready? I think it's set. We're gonna do it slowly and we're gonna pull away. Let me know what you guys think. Maybe it's good that it's big, that way people subscribe and actually go to the channel. Yeah, so maybe it's not a bad thing. But we are officially a YouTuber. Let me see from afar. I mean, it's big, yeah, but it might be a good thing. That way people can actually see it. If I compare it to this side, it is a lot smaller. I low-key like this size better, but you know, I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below which one you guys like better. But I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side now. I don't know, I probably won't record that just because it's gonna be the same exact process. I kind of dig it, bro. What do you guys think down below? Let me know. Again, if you guys want some stickers for your own car or for anything like that, go down below. First link down there, somewhere in there, you know what I'm saying? You can customize it however you want. If you want for Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, whatever you want, bro, is in there. Make sure you go down below, get yourself a sticker. If you guys like the video, make sure you guys subscribe down below. Comment any other video ideas you guys have. Stay tuned for more. Love you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.